So here I am back with another video. As promised, I'm going to show you step by step the method I use to start and to make my videos. Now at the time of this recording, I have 10 views and 1 subscriber. This is 10 views and 1 subscriber more than I had yesterday. So instead of just explaining this to you, I prefer to walk the walk using this channel. Now what is the most important thing to keep in mind? Well, when you begin a YouTube channel, you need to think of a niche. A niche needs to be extremely specific. So what is a niche? A niche is a topic or an idea for a video that you are passionate about and that your viewers will enjoy. So let's look at a quick example. If you're into sports, let's say football for example, you cannot have your video titled on football alone. That is too broad of a topic. You need to bring it down to its extreme smallest to target specific viewers on YouTube. So how would you do this? Let's say you have a small football team that has a large number of following, and in that team there's a specific player that outshines the rest. You can use that to extremely niche down to people who are specifically interested in that player and grow a following using this method. Now this can apply to any sort of topic, whether it be food, clothing, entertainment, sports, or even blogging for that matter. So what do you do next now that you have your topic in mind? Well, what I use is a free plugin on YouTube called TubeBuddy, and this helps me niche down or to find specific keywords that will help me to get my video shown to the viewers. Now, before I move on to explain what ranking is and how your video should perform when it is in rank, let's first dive into TubeBuddy so I can show you what type of method I use. Please note that this is a free software to use. It is a free plugin provided by TubeBuddy to increase your chances or likelihood of being found on YouTube.
We'll perform a search for TubeBuddy. On the right hand side, you'll notice the Search Explorer tool. This feature works on any search term and is available for all TubeBuddy users for free. But free users will be limited to only seeing the first 3 results in the lower sections. The top section in Search Explorer is Keyword Score. This score shows you how many people are searching for this term, how competitive this term is, and its overall score. This is very similar to Keyword Explorer because it's built on the same architecture. To the right of the keyword score is our Keyword Stats tab. Keyword Stats shows a brief analysis of channels and videos on the YouTube search page. It shows you which video has the most and least amount of views in YouTube search. Similarly, it shows which channel has the most ranking videos around a subject. For TubeBuddy, obviously it's our channel. This gives you an idea for where you fit in and if your channel has a good chance of ranking or not.
Once a title has been made and your description box as well as your tags box are filled, then you'd need to start making a thumbnail. Now a thumbnail is something that will attract your viewers' eyes. Make sure to use bright colors like red, blue, green, yellow, etc. In this current age of YouTube, shorter videos seem to be outperforming the rest, so keep it sweet and straight to the point. Don't be discouraged by 1 view, 2 views, 10 views, 1 subscriber. Continue your method and you will be noticed as time goes by. Now moving back to the thumbnail, Canva is a great tool to use to make these thumbnails, as well as banners and profile pictures. I will leave the link below for Canva so that you can start making your own thumbnails. Now, in order for your video to perform, you need to comply with the SEO scores. Now, the SEO is a search engine optimization tool. This allows you to increase the chance of your video being found. So you need to make sure that your keywords in the title are in the description as well as the tags. Niching down is an extremely important concept for YouTube. Being too broad of a channel might be a disadvantage to you. So choose a topic and stick with it and watch your channel grow. So this concludes today's video. If you found this at all helpful or valuable, make sure to hit the like button down below. Make sure that you subscribe as well as to click the little bell icon so that you don't miss another upload. Until next time, keep grinding and you can make this a reality.